Do you also want to know about your future?
You will be a very famous person, and you will also rule over a great country.
I've heard a lot about this parrot called Parrot from a lot of people. Is it all true?
You can hear about your future from this unique parrot right now, and his prediction is always right.
I see. But I have a strange feeling I've seen you somewhere.
Huh?
Well, maybe I'm mistaken. But then no one can forget you and your unique parrot easily.
Oh,
But why are you here?
Your Majesty, sometimes people want to know only about the good things about Parrot. But Parrot is only a parrot. She simply cannot tell what is good and what is bad.
And what are you planning to do for the future?
Well, we shall leave this place tomorrow.
No, Babu. You continue to stay here.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Now please instruct Parrot to read my future.
Babu was speaking to them very rudely. He was not at all like the person we all know.
But if it's a game he's playing to have fun, then why are his charges so less? Just because it's 1 rupee? We should not doubt Babu unnecessarily. Get it?
No. I have a strong feeling that I have met Babu before.
Yes, I have also seen Babu somewhere before.
The king had also mentioned something similar about him. We may not be too late. Raju, Chutki and Jaggu, you go to the palace and ask His Majesty where he had seen Babu before. Kalia, you come with me.
Can you remember anything, Your Majesty?
No, I don't recollect a thing.
Your Majesty, meet Babu. I mean Natwarlal. This Natwar guy has played a game on all of us. He trained Paro for this game, and Paro, like a parrot, spoke everything that was taught. Having been a neighbor of Dholakpur for a long time now, he knew everything about us.
And Babu told me that Bhatakpur is planning an attack on us. Going by his words, I was sending my army to attack them. Bheem has prevented me from making a big mistake. Soldiers, arrest this man and put him in jail.
Your Majesty, I shall go to Bhatakpur and clear this misunderstanding with the king.
Go on, Bheem.
Wait, stop! Come no further! I come here in peace.
You're Bheem, right? Why are you talking about peace? Are you not aware that your army has planned an attack on our kingdom?
There's been a huge misunderstanding. Please take me to your king, I beg you.
Oh, I see. Soldiers, take him to meet our king and give him his chance to propose peace.
He has trapped us all in his vicious game. That crook Babu made our king believe that you are planning an attack on us.
And he narrated the same story to me. What a game plan. We are thankful to you and Dholakpur. If you hadn't approached us by now, we would have definitely attacked. You are very courageous to come up to an army waiting to attack you as an enemy. I, the king of Bhatakpur, bestow you with the title the Royal Jewel. Long
Welcome to the kingdom of Dholakpur. We do hope that you will have a great
As I have mentioned, our visit here does not call for a celebration. We are just messengers of our king Egohito. From this year on, you are bound to give us 1 lakh golden coins annually. And if not, then get ready for war.
Calm down.
If one does not meet this annual demand, then the forces will readily attack.
But Dholakpur is a very small kingdom. If your king is trying to threaten us with his huge army, then he is not brave.
Quiet! Our king Egohito has proclaimed that if any citizen of any of the kingdoms who manages to win over Sam in a fight, that kingdom will be free from bondage. So if you don't want to pay up the tax demanded, then get prepared to triumph over Sam. So these are your brave warriors.
Your Majesty, I challenge Sam for a fight.
Go ahead and fight. You will definitely win. Oh no, he has lost his sword too. After a few seconds, even Kalia will surrender. The fate of the kingdom is in your hands now, Bheem. Go and fight with all your might.
Your Majesty, please don't worry. The kingdom of Dholakpur knows only one king, and that's you, Your Majesty.
Huh? How can one be such a big fool?
Bheem, I surrender to you.
Don't be sad, Sam. You too are very brave.